Hi guys! Today we are going to decrease stitches at the raglan. Knit 2 together before the raglan panel and slip knit after the raglan panel. There are 2 raglan panels on each side of the shoulders, so there will be 4 stitches reduced at a decrease row. Are you ready? Let's start. Here we can see how the stitches decreased, with 8 to 11 stitches reserved for the raglan panels, depending on the garment size. We will have with semi-saddle shoulder looking yoke at the end. It will look amazing. This is the part coming from the back towards the front opening of the cardigan. It's before the raglan marker, so it will be a knit 2 together. Now we knit through the raglan panel to go to the marker on the other side of the panel. And here, we slip knit after the marker. Pretty straightforward, don't you think? Here we are. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you.